Writing an essay gives us a knowledge of creativity, but sometimes we become quite bewildered while we are writing an essay because we don't know exactly how to write an essay systematically. But today in this video, I'm going to tell you 7 ways which will help you to write an essay systematically and perfectly. But in order to go forward, I want to say if you are new here in my channel, please give your like, subscribe this channel and share it. So come with me just to look at this video. What is it exactly here? So the first one is choose a topic. Well, choosing a topic wisely and appropriately in essay writing is one of the most important tasks. Because if you choose any topic unwisely, it will create a ridiculous sense in your writing. For example, if I say, write an essay on how to see a ghost, it doesn't create any sense because we don't know whether it exists or not. But if we choose here, write an essay on global warming, it will create some kind of senses because we know about global warming, what is it exactly and how it's happening right now. So always choose a topic wisely and appropriately to write an essay in English. So next one is make a thoroughgoing research. Doing a thoroughgoing research gives you more insight about the topic what you are going to write now. For example, if I say here, write an essay on global warming. So you have got already your topic, what you have to write, you know already. Now you have to make a thoroughgoing research with the help of internet or books, which will give you a succinct ideas about your writing, how to write your introduction, what kind of material you should use in order to write an essay on global warming. So that is the main thing while you are writing an essay in English, that you should always make a thoroughgoing research which will give you some insights about the topic. Next is perfect introduction. Well, I must say, try to give a catchy intro while you are writing an essay because it will catch the attention of the reader. Suppose you have written an essay on global warming. For example, if I say you are writing an essay on this matter and you have started your writing like global warming is the most crucial issue leading us unto a destruction. So it's quite becoming an attractive, a perfect and the most catchy introduction in your writing, which will help you to attract all readers to read your writing very much intensively. So I must say here that while you are writing an essay in English, you try to give a catchy introduction in your writing because it will increase the attention level in your essay, what you are just going to write in your essay, that topic specifically. The fourth one, that is body paragraph. Well, you should now go forward with more sentences. So first you have got your ideas, what you want to write, like global warming. Now you have made already a thoroughgoing research. Now you have to go forward. So now you have to write more about global warming. Like, as a long-term issue, global warming increases the temperature of the Earth's surface. So now you are just going forward with more sentences to describe this matter elaborately with more sentences which will give some insights about your topic, that is global warming. So that is the main thing while you have chosen a perfect introduction. Now you have to go forward with more sentences to write your body paragraph in your essay. Next one, that is conclusion. So it is the most important thing while you have completed your writing with conclusion, because conclusion should be an open-ended or a close-ended. But one thing I must tell you, while you are completing your essay with the help of conclusion, don't bring any new ideas. Like, you have chosen a topic on global warming, so don't bring any new ideas in the part of conclusion while you are writing about global warming. So always make it clear, simple. Next one, that is citation. So what is citation? Well, after the completion of your essay, citation ought to be there because you have to avoid plagiarism. If you copy any line or any sentences from another writing, you should use citation format, either MLA or APA format, in order to avoid plagiarism from your writing. If you don't use it, then you will go under the problem of plagiarism. So always in your writing, try to use citation format, whether it's MLA or not. So the next and the last one is final review. So it is the time to say an okay, because you have done everything perfectly. You have given a catchy introduction, you have chosen a perfect ideas, perfect topic, and you have chosen some appropriate materials to write an essay. So now you have to conclude your writing, and now you have to check all of those things again. So in this way, I have tried to give some insights about your writing, how to write an essay. Still, if you have any confusion, you can write down in the comment box below. So if you like this video, give your valuable like, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, and try to share it to other persons. So that's all for today. Tata, see you again, bye.